I've got 3 simple tips that will help you to be a better sales rep no matter what industry you're in. I am focused on the restoration industry, but I think this applies to anybody. I'm going to tell you a quick story about a company that I will not refer anymore, and conversely about one that as long as they keep doing what they're doing, I'm going to refer them forever. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com, and I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos, and to build a business they can sell someday for a lot of money when they decide it's time to move on. Okay, so what am I talking about? What's my story? I have this one company that I referred to, probably 10 clients over the course of 6 months. And I got no follow-up. I got no update, no acknowledgement, no thank you, no anything, right? Conversely, I have a company who I refer as much as I can, and I get an update. I get an immediate acknowledgement from the sales rep. I get an update when my client scheduled a call with them. I get an update after that call. I get an update once a decision has been made by the person that I referred, whether or not they decided to move forward with this company. I get updates, and I get a simple thank you. That's it. Nothing financial. Update so I know that my client was taken care of, and a thank you. I liken it to, maybe this has happened to you. You let somebody out in traffic, right? And you don't get a simple wave, a simple, acknowledgement that you did something nice for them, right? And I don't know about you, but every once in a while that happens. I think to myself, if I had the opportunity to let this person out again, would I? I probably wouldn't. I don't know. It's probably not a good thing, but it's real. So think about this. If you get a referral from somebody, you've got to do a couple of things. You've got to acknowledge immediately, right? And show your appreciation. Number 2, you've got to give them some updates, right? Let them know. They're trusting you with their client. I think a lot of people forget this. They forget that they're putting their name on the line when they refer you. So you've got to acknowledge that. You've got to give them an update. Let them know what you're doing to help their client. Number 3, validate the trust, right? They put trust in you. Validate it. Get back to them. Let them know what you did for the client. Even if the client that they referred to you doesn't become a client of yours, still get back to them so that they know what you did, so that you take this referral as an opportunity to further build trust, right? And if they did choose to use your company, even better. Hopefully your production team did a fantastic job and you can communicate how well it went, right? So let me just wrap it up. It's really important as you're building the relationship to the point where they will feel comfortable enough to refer you, to keep that trust building going. And you do it by fast acknowledgement, a simple thank you, communicating updates to them. It's a long game. The more you say thank you, the more you're going to get referrals from your referral sources. This was, by and large, the number one reason when we asked our clients, why do you continue to refer us? Here's what we heard over and over and over. You appreciate the referral. You say thank you, and you give us updates. It's that simple. If you need any help, if you want to talk about this, if you want to talk about how I can help you put together a plan to put this into place, please book a call with me by clicking the link below. See you in the next video.